Discover the inspiring story of how Mia turned a simple side hustle into a $500 business in just 1 year. Starting with a minimal investment and a passion for her craft, Mia scaled her side hustle into a thriving business. We'll break down the exact steps she took, including identifying the right niche and leveraging social media. Finding a profitable niche with high demand and low competition was crucial for her success. Building an online presence through social media and content marketing helped her reach a broader audience. Optimizing systems to save time and increase productivity played a key role in her growth. Scaling her business through strategic partnerships, paid ads, and automation allowed her to expand rapidly. Handling financials properly ensured profitability and allowed for reinvestment for growth. Mia's story provides inspiration and actionable tips for anyone looking to grow their side hustle.